YouTube. Alright, we got a broken hazard button in the 2014 Chevy Spark. So you can see I'm pressing it right now. It's not going in like it should. It's already stuck in. So the whole frame you can replace, or you can replace just the button. I'm going to replace that entire frame piece, and it's as easy as just popping it out. So I have a trim tool. I think I got this from Harbor Freight. They're pretty cheap. I recommend it, not using metal, using something plastic. That way you don't tear up the trim inside of your vehicle. But you can see I just go around the edge, pop it out. Once you get a majority of it out, you can kind of pull it forwards, but don't pull it out too far. You have a connector that's holding the hazard button. So once you get it out, kind of lightly pull it back. Then we're going to take a look over here at this connector. Right on the back side, you can see it's right there, tab right there. So that little tab, you're just going to press in, squeeze it in, and then you want to wiggle it out. If it feels tight, I would wiggle it. I wouldn't just yank it. Here we go. We got new button. You can see the broken one there. New button. Press it. It goes in like it's supposed to. So get that one on. This is going to be easy. Just orientate your button so that you have the clip side in. Pop that in there till you hear the clip pop in. And then those little tabs, you're going to see spots that go all the way around that little frame with those tab holes. Just line those holes up, pop the tabs in. You're going to squeeze those in there, and then slowly start going around the frame, making sure everything is flush. Make sure everything clips in. You'll hear them click as you're pressing them in. And you can see I accidentally turned on the radio, but turn that back off. And let's test it out. So we hit the button. We got action. Lights on. Hit it again. Go check the back. Money. Let's get it. Like and subscribe.